Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
I don't know.
We're going to a beach, and right now we're on our way. We're just in the car, right?
Yep.
Listening to some great tunes. I'm so tired. So what are you doing right now?
Playing a game.
And we're almost there. Hello there and good morning. Today I'm wearing this blue and white striped top that I got from Frenchie's and these jean shorts. What you playing, Carson? Carson, where are we?
Jellyfish.
A jellyfish. Daddy, big jellyfish.
Oh, look at it. Andrew, do you know where we are right now?
No.
Lunenburg. We are in Lunenburg. There's the stuff behind the ocean. Andrew. What are you doing?
Trying to get this.
Look at that man. We're at the whale. You guys going in?
Carson. Carson, go on the other side. Then you'll have both eyes.
I'm gonna look in here.
Oh no, Carson, come inside. And this is where a place where I won't lose this.
Look through here.
Yeah, Carson.
Carson,
What? Sit right here and go like this. Okay?
look through.
Okay. Yeah. So then your mom will. Lisa, take a picture.
It's a party in here now.
Memers. Memers. Mama.
Yep, me too.
Mama, play with this.
Carson, say hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
Whale.
We're inside of a whale.
Also, later we're going to the beach, right?
Yeah. Oh wait,
And-
put it back on me. No, achieve it.
Oh, God. And whoa!
Oh.
Anyways, so we're going to the beach later, and it's gonna be fun. So. Huge jellyfish. I don't know if you see that.
Like, it's insane how big that is.
That is pretty crazy.
Right into the water.
Look at that, Lisa.
It's a jellyfish. Biggest jellyfish I've ever seen.
Oh.
Yeah, there's more beside it too.
Where did Carson go? Oh, there he is.
It's so
Look
gross
at that,
looking.
Carson.
So apparently if you have an
Mia.
Yeah.
Mia. Are you tired? Hi. Show them. Tell them what you got.
Wait. A great white teddy. Mommy.
Yep.
Oh,
Carson.
yeah, right. I remember what my ball was.
And we're just waiting for my dad so we can go to the beach. And we're probably going to go swimming, right?
Yep. Big. Pretty.
So I guess we'll see you then. Nice sunglasses, bud. What's that face for? Are you sad? Or are you happy?
No.
Carson and I were just talking about it would be funny if he didn't know how to talk all of a sudden, and I asked him a question and he went bubba dooba dooba da. Bubba dooba dooba da. He's trying not to smile. Don't smile.
Don't smile, Carson.
Don't
Don't
smile.
do it.
Don't smile.
Carson, I see one.
Hey Carson. Bubba dooba dooba doo. Say, it's a leaf for you, the viewers.
You guys got tickets because I'm not allowed.
Say, hi guys, Zach Scott here. Don't smile. Don't smile. What's up? Carson's currently ripping my hair out with a leaf.
Try to make me smile, Caitlin.
You?
Mm.
A bubba dooba dooba doo. Don't smile. You're smiling.
Mm-mm.
You're going,
This is smiling.
ow, Carson. Stop it. Ouch. What are you doing? We're at this random person's house right now. I don't know. We're sitting on their doorstep. Ouch.
Hey, watch this.
No, Andrew. You just knocked on their door. Carson, get out of here.
That's not funny.
There's Daddy. It's Carson, the 40-pound baby. So we're on our way to the beach and we bought some snacks. Right, Carson? Which one's your favorite? The rings? Or the chips?
I like all of them.
Yeah, me too. I like the pretzels too, right? Do you know what beach we're going to? I forget what they're called, but or I'm not sure which one. We'll see when we get there. Can you say see you there?
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.
We're on a boat. We're on a boat. This is how close I am to losing my mind. Hello.
Hi.
Where are we right now?
On a boat that you can drive on.
Yeah. Bunch of cars with us. We haven't started moving yet,
You
but
can only fit.
oh my god! I love those cars!
Yeah?
I love those kinds of vans. I literally love those so much. I want one. Say hi. Carson,
Right here.
you want to come out and look at the water? Echo.
Oh.
Doesn't that sound cool? Like just barely breathing. And we're out. It's pretty cool now, hey? It's so cool. We're at the beach. It's a little windy and it's so cold. It's freezing. Oh god, it's so cold. I can't feel my feet. afternoon, and we're just basically gonna go back home and eat supper. So I'll see you in the car. What is mystery? Dad, what's up?
What's up?
Hi, so I'm in the car right now. Someone's snoozing, and basically I'm just waiting for everyone because I'm staying with him. And so yeah, I got so many tangles in my hair. It's insane. So I'm trying to like brush it out with my fingers because I didn't bring a hairbrush. It hurts so bad. Okay, but anyways, we're gonna be home in an hour or so. It's a bit of a long drive, but I will let you know when we get back. Okay, so me and Carson here have been editing this video together, and we never made an outro, so we're just gonna end the video right here. Hey! My hair just got in this granola bar.
Video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye!